Good afternoon, class 1. So class 1, we are here on chapter number 5, more on describing words, in which we had done up to page number 31. Okay. So here in this video class, I am going to start with page number 32, although the whole portion has been completed in live class. Then also it was a need to have a video on this, on these pages, on these exercises. So here I am. Okay. So open up your page number 32 and see there. Exercise A is there, in which yellow box is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 describing words are given, and we have to choose describing word according to the sentence, and we have to write here. There are 8 sentences and 12 describing words. Okay. So we have to choose the describing words from the box, and we have to fill here from 1 to 8. And it is not necessary that if I am choosing any describing word from there and I am writing here, you will write the same. You can have your different descriptions. Okay? So, my mother is. The describing words are, I am reading it out: old, naughty, shy, loving, cheerful, tall, kind, beautiful, thin, brave, smart, clever. So, my number 1, my mother is. I am writing beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. You can write some other word also. My father is. My father is clever. C-L-E-V-E-R. Clever. My brother is naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Number 4, my sister is thin. T-H-I-N. Thin means patli. My grandfather is old. Next, my grandmother is kind. My uncle is tall. My aunt is loving. So here are the words which I have chosen for the sentences. You can have different words. So I am reading it out. My mother is beautiful. My father is clever. My brother is naughty. My sister is thin. My grandfather is old. My grandmother is kind. My uncle is tall. My aunt is loving. Now, coming to the next exercise on page number 33. On page number 33, there was an exercise in which you have to encircle the describing words. Yes, Lipika has brown hair. Lipika के hair brown है. So brown is the describing word. Number 2, Tara is eating a green apple. Tara एक green apple खा रही है. So green is the describing word. All of you know that describing words can be colors, describing words can be numbers. Describing word color भी हो सकते हैं और number भी हो सकते हैं. I gave 2 toffees to Ram. मैंने राम को 2 toffees दिए. 2. Nina is wearing a pink frock. नीना एक पिंक फ्रॉक पहने हुए है. Pink is the describing word. Next, Ashu has 6 toys. आशु के पास 6 toys है. 6 is the describing word. Here, Usha buys red bangles from the shop. Usha शॉप से रेड बैंगल बाय किया है. बाय किया है मतलब खरीदा है. रेड इज द डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड. नेक्स्ट, there were 7 cows in the shed. Number 9, there were 7 cows in the shed. 7 is the describing word. Malika has a pair of blue earrings. So blue is the describing word. Malika के पास ब्लू इयररिंग्स है. द व्हाइट डॉग इज बिगर देन द ब्राउन डॉग. जो व्हाइट डॉग है वो ब्राउन डॉग से बड़ा है. So here two different dogs are described. One has been described as white and the second has been described as brown. White is the describing word and brown is also the describing word. But here in this number 12, please give me 3 boiled eggs. So here the eggs, the word eggs is the naming word and it has been described as 3. पहले तो उसका काउंटिंग बताया है कि वो 3 है and सेकेंड में बताया है कि वो boiled है. So 3 is a describing word and boiled is also a describing word. Okay? Just have a look from number 1 to 12. Then I will go to the next exercise. Yes, so shall I move towards page number 34? On page number 34, there are again 12 sentences with a blank. Okay, 12 sentences with blanks, and what we have to do in the sentences? We have to choose the correct describing words for the sentences from the help box, and in help box the words that are describing words are happy, lazy, green, yellow, too, sunny, young, blue, wealthy, 30, long, neat. Okay, so one by one I am going to choose the words I am going to write in these blanks. Okay, so the first one is Sheila has long hair. शीला के बाल लंबे हैं. Next is my uncle has a yellow car. मेरे अंकल के पास येलो कार है. Next is it is a, आज का दिन sunny है. It is a sunny day. In the sentence it is sunny, but in real it is a cloudy day. आज का दिन cloudy है. Now my mother wore a, okay, here I have given you blue. You can repeat. My mother wore a yellow sari. The happy man smiled at me. Number 6. I have 2 pens. We are filling the blanks with the describing words. I have 1, 2 pens. Number 7. The children are playing in a green park. बच्चे ग्रीन पार्क में खेल रहे हैं. Rashi's father is a भाई बहन है जो साथ में रहते हैं, खुश रहते हैं, so we are healthy and we are wealthy. Likewise, Rashi's father is a wealthy man. जब हम बड़े हो जाते हैं तो wealthy होने का मीनिंग थोड़ा सा चेंज हो जाता है. Okay? Now number 9. Ashok is a lazy boy. He is always sleeping. Number 10. Young children are fun to play with. छोटे बच्चों के साथ खेलने में बहुत मजा आता है. Y-O-U-N-G, young. Number 11. Number 11 is there are 30 students in our class. हमारी क्लास में 30 students हैं. There are 30 students in our class and number 12 is they all wear neat uniforms. सब साफ यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं. So here this exercise is also done. Now shall we go for the next exercise? Yes. So the next exercise is exercise B. And exercise B is see this one. Fill in the blanks to describe your friend. आपकी फ्रेंड को आप डिस्क्राइब कीजिए. सपोज इन दीज fill-ups dash is my dash friend. Suppose I am writing anybody's name here like Simi is my best friend. So here यहाँ पर मैंने सिमी का नाम लिखा है S-I-M-I. सिमी is my best friend. So here I have described friend as best. कि friend कैसी है? Best है. Now I have written Simi's name. So Simi is a girl. So I have to go for she. She is suppose I am 6 years old. Simi is also 6 years old. She is 6 years old. Simi is a girl. Again, I will tick she. And if suppose you are writing here, suppose you are writing whose name? Rahul. Rahul is my best friend. अगर आप किसी boy का नाम लिखते हो तो boy के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? He use करते हैं. तो हो जाएगा Rahul is my best friend. He is 6 years old. Now next, number 3. She studies in which class? In my class. She studies in my class. मेरी क्लास में पढ़ते हैं. Okay. She studies in my class. She has short hair. मेरी जो फ्रेंड सिमी है उसके short hair है and black eyes है. B-L-A-C-K, black. Eyes also have colors. Somebody's eyes are brown, blue, green, black. So these are the colors of black. Colors of eyes. So my friend's eyes are black. She has a sweet smile. मेरी फ्रेंड की जो स्माइल है वो बहुत स्वीट है. Okay. So here in this I have described my friend as Simi is my best friend. She is 6 years old. You also have to go like this only. Okay. If your friend is a boy, you will go for H-E, he, and if your friend is a girl, you will go for S-H-E, she. Simi is my best friend. She is 6 years old. She studies in my class. She has short hair and black eyes. And last one is, she has a sweet smile. Okay. So class 1, this was your class. Okay. And here your chapter ends. Now let us do something else. Let me start the next chapter, that is chapter 6. English Grammar chapter 6, and the name of the chapter is Names of Days and Months. Names of days and months. Okay, all of you know that there are 7 days in a week. Okay, I am directly starting this chapter. So here in this exercise on page number 37, take out page number 37, the first exercise I am doing it. This is exercise A, and here we have to write the spellings, the missing letters, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What are these? These are serial number 1 to 7, and in each number there is a day written. आप सबको पता है कि एक वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं? 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. And in which Monday is the first day and Sunday is the last day. So here the questions are as missing letters are given: M dash dash, B dash dash. The next one, T dash dash, S dash dash, Y. So here we have to write Monday, Tuesday. We have to fill the missing letter so that the spelling would be completed. Number 3 is W dash D dash E dash D dash Y. Then the next one, number 4, T dash U dash dash D dash dash. Number 5, F dash I dash A dash. These are the days of the week in which we have to fill the blanks to complete the spellings. Number 6, S dash T dash R D dash dash. Next, the last one is S dash N dash dash Y. Now we are going to fill in the blanks with the letters, and because the question is in capital letters, we are going to fill the blanks with the capital letters only. Okay. So write with me. The spelling of Monday is M-O-N-D-A-Y. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. The spelling of Tuesday is T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Spelling is Tuesday. The letters which are present, हमको वो नहीं लिखना है, जो मिसिंग है वो लिखना है. Next is Wednesday. 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 Next is Thursday. The spelling of Thursday is Thursday. Thursday. Number 5 is, what comes after Thursday? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 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 Next is number 6, Saturday. 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 And the last day of the week is Sunday. 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 So here we have completed the first exercise of chapter number 6, names of days and months. And here I am ending up this class. Okay. So class 1, complete your book in time. Okay. Study at home. Complete your notes in the notebook. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.